If you want to change slow motion speed on POCO F7, then first of all we need to open the camera app, and of course we want to open the slow motion mode in the camera. So we're gonna swipe up like this and let's just choose slow motion. In order to change the speed of the slow motion, what you have to do is change the frame rate. The higher the frame rate is, the slower the video will be. So if we use 120 frames per second, the slow motion effect will be the slowest compared to other options. You can also use 240, which allows you to still record a video for as long as you wish to. However, if you choose 960, you can capture only the last quarter of the session of the video, essentially, as it is described over here. So you can see these dots over here on the right side of on the left side, I mean, the last quarter of the circle has dots or lines that are separated with more space. So this is the section that will be recorded, essentially. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.